In this video, I will show you how to create forms. Select the table you like to create the form from the navigation pane. Click on Form icon under Create tab. Access will automatically create a form of the table. The upper portion is taken from the guest table, while lower is taken from room assignment table. Because of the relation between them. This relation was created in the previous lectures. We can switch records from bottom navigation arrows. Let's add a new record for Donald Duck. Assignment ID is automatically assigned. Let's see if this record was saved in the table. As you can see, this record is stored in the room assignment table. Now let's take a look at how can we change the layout of the form. Open the form created before. Click on View icon on the Home tab. Select Layout View. From here we can adjust the layout of the form. To move the text box to the right, we need to go to Arrange tab and click Insert Right couple of times. It will add padding to the right. Just drag and drop the text box to a selected position. To rename any box, double-click and rename. Press Delete key on keyboard to delete the selected text box. For resizing, hold and drag the text box from the edge. Press and hold the Shift key and click right and click Merge to increase the size of the table. Now let's take a look at how can we create a form from a form wizard. Go to Creates tab, click Form Wizard. It's similar to Query Wizard. Choose the table from the drop-down and select Columns. We have already seen subforms. Let's take a look at linked forms. Here, name the form. It gives us two options. For this video, we just need to view information, so choose the default option and click Finish. There is a bug in Access. We need to enter Layout View and fix it manually. On clicking on Room Assignments tab, it will show only check-ins for selected guest. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.